Hi guys, welcome back to Mama SOJ vlog. How you guys doing? If you are new here, you are welcome, and if you are returning subscriber, God bless you as you always come back to watch my video. My people, wonder shall never end. Not be smart, on a different news now they land for our table. On I must say as the news they land for my table, that's why they carry and come here to come share with honor. Alright, my people, for today's video, I go to watch and together with honor. Alright, my people, we could go watch the video to see what really they happen for inside the video, my people.
Mo fẹ́ bẹ̀ former president Olusegun Obasanjo, ẹ lọ tú Sunday Igboho sílẹ̀ níbi tẹ́ dì mọ́. Ẹ̀yin lẹ́wà nídìí ọ̀rọ̀ Chief Sunday Igboho ọmọ Adéyẹmọ. Former president Olusegun Obasanjo confirm agreement tí ẹ lọ bá àwọn Benin Republic ṣe ẹ̀yin àti Buratai ní àárín ọ̀sẹ̀ méjì sí mẹ́ta àbọ̀ tẹ́ ẹ lọ sí Benin Republic lọ ṣe ẹjọ́ ṣé ẹ lè fi pépà yẹn hàn gbogbo ayé nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ lọ sign. Actually wọ́n gbé pépà yẹn síta nígbà yẹn pé ẹ lọ sign pé kó detain ẹ ni bọ̀ ìgbà yẹn àfúnra ẹ lọ dọ̀bálẹ̀ fún ọba Benin Republic. Gbogbo èròǹgbà àwọn èèyàn ní pé bóyá ẹ fẹ́ lọ gba Sunday Igboho sílẹ̀ bọ̀ nígbà tí ẹ sáyìn ẹ̀ tán tẹ́ ẹ lọ ẹ padà wá bẹ̀yẹn mọ́. Buratai náà wá ó lọ bá àwọn military wọn àwọn force wọn bá wọn ṣe meeting. President Olusegun Obasanjo, you are the one that lock Chief Sunday Igboho. President Olusegun Obasanjo wọ́n sọ pé omi ló wu ẹja dàgbà òun náà dẹ̀ ló sì ẹja jiná. President Olusegun Obasanjo, you are a PDP. You arrested Chief Sunday Igboho because of Atiku. Because President Olusegun Obasanjo, you are not in support with Tinubu, we know. President Olusegun Obasanjo, I will just advise you and I will pet you as one of useless father in Yoruba land to head me now. Ẹgbọ́ mi. President Olusegun Obasanjo, you are the one that you detain Chief Sunday Igboho in Benin Republic. Tí o bá ti kí ń ṣẹ̀yìn ẹ bọ́ síta kẹ́ fi Ògúnládé Afẹ̀jẹ̀wẹ̀ kẹ́ fi búra is to support Atiku torí pé Chief Sunday Igboho nù kọ́kọ́ ló sọ pé no election in 2023. We are all Yorubas and we are all the one that we said it pé kò sí election ní 2023. President Olusegun Obasanjo, agreement tẹ́ ṣe pẹ̀lú Benin Republic, agreement tẹ́ lọ ṣe pẹ̀lú Benin Republic pé kó detain ẹ̀ síbẹ̀ for a while so that ẹ sọ pé fún 2023 ẹ kàn sọ pé so that tó bá ti wà ń bẹ̀ tala ní torí pé bóyá òun ò fẹ́ rágbára lò ó máa padà gbọ́rọ̀ sí yín lẹ́nu tó bá dé ẹ máa wá dúró bí bàbá fún ẹ pẹ́ẹ̀tẹ̀ ẹ welcome ẹ kẹ́ni bribe ẹ. Is it that one? President Olusegun Obasanjo, mo torí yín orúkọ yín nìkan ni mo wá dá. Mi ò lè sọ pé Tinubu mọ̀ sí bọ́n ṣe de Chief Sunday Igboho mọ́bẹ̀ yẹn, mi ò dẹ̀ lè sọ pé kò mọ̀ sí, àmọ́ fingerprint yín Chief former President Olusegun Obasanjo, you are the one wàláì tàláì that you detain Chief Sunday Igboho Adéyẹmọ. I have my own proof here. You can say Buhari, but ǹjẹ́ ẹ̀yin mọ̀ pé tí ò bá sí olè ilé ó lè ta olè jálẹ̀kùn ṣá. Wọ́n sọ pé not Buhari again. A wise look front, see nothing but think wise. Because o lè sọ pé owó wájú ó rí nǹkan kan but tó junú ẹ bá ṣọ̀nà fún ẹ wàá mọ bí tí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tó ti wọ́ wá. Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, you are the one that you went to sign how to detain Chief Sunday Igboho. Ṣé ẹ mọ̀ pé nígbà tí Chief Sunday Igboho kọ́kọ́ wà ní Benin Republic àwọn Benin sọ pé àwọn máa filẹ̀ ipe but àwọn fẹ́ rescue life ẹ̀ torí pé àwọn ò fẹ́ kí Nigeria government damage ẹ̀. That's the promise they did for us, àbí? Kí wá ní nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ lẹ́yìn after ìgbà tí Ọbásanjọ́ lọ tó lọ Benin Republic tó lọ tẹwọ́ bọ̀wé ìwé yẹn kí ni nǹkan tó bá dé kí wá ní ìwé yẹn kí ni benefits of the ìwé yẹn nínú ayé àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá lénìí ẹ fúnra o ẹ fúnra Olúṣẹ́gun Ọbásanjọ́ o ẹ lọ tú Chief Sunday Igboho sílẹ̀ ẹ̀yin lẹ lọ́ọ̀kì ẹ̀ síbi tó wà yẹn programu mi kò ní pọ̀ but mo mọ reason tí mo fi wá tí mo fi sọ pé Chief Olúṣẹ́gun Ọbásanjọ́ you are the one àṣírí yín dẹ̀ ti tú èmi ò ní wá sí programu láti wá máa rojọ́ but how to save our own life how to save our own minister that's Chief Sunday Igboho ọmọ Adéyẹmọ that is what I'm about. Mi ò kàn lè wá sí orí social media kí n kọ́ máa anthem Yorùbá nation gan tiẹ̀ sún mi because kò sí nǹkan tó yìí ṣe nínú ayé wa for now. What is necessary now is how to remove this man out of this ẹ̀wọ̀n. Chief Olúṣẹ́gun Ọbásanjọ́ confirmed you are a military man. Can you forget? You are a military man and you play your wiseness to use military to go and murder Sunday Igboho at home because of Lagos State rally and because of how we are shouting no election in 2023. And you, Ọbásanjọ́, you are planning how to work with Atiku Abubakar láti gbé wọlé as Nigeria president. Yes. Ayeyada eléyìí why is Olúṣẹ́gun Ọbásanjọ́? The reason is that did you remember that Olúṣẹ́gun Ọbásanjọ́ went there ṣe ẹ má gbàgbé o kí ni bàbá lọ ṣe ń gbà ẹ tó lọ fi ìdọ̀bálẹ̀ ṣọ̀yàyà fún Benin Republic ọba. Now let me tell you something lẹ́yìn Ọbásanjọ́ tó bá sọ pé ìlú dìde láti lọ gbàyàn Ọbásanjọ́ náà lọ àbí Ọbásanjọ́ ló wá kọ ló wá write letter ló wá sign agreement yẹn kí ni nǹkan tó wà nù ẹ̀ ẹ jẹ́ ká jọ bira wa léèrè. Ọbásanjọ́ ṣé ẹ mọ̀ pé táìmù ìgbà tí Ọbásanjọ́ dé láti Benin Republic ìgbà yẹn ló sọ pé òun fẹ́ rí gbogbo àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá tá à ń ṣe agitating. Ṣé ìrántí ẹ má gbàgbé o ó lóun fẹ́ rí gbogbo ẹ̀yin agitator pátápátá mi ì tiẹ̀ mọ agitator wèrè kan tó sọ ńgbà yẹn pé àwọn nídìí wọ́n mẹ́sẹ̀jì mi náà pé àwọn nídìí àwọn tó máa lọ lé Ọbásanjọ́ mo níbi kí ló fẹ́ pa ẹ̀mí àtọ́básanjọ́ papọ̀. Nǹkan tá a fẹ́ ni pé kọ́ remove orí burúkú kúrò ní orúkọ wa nílẹ̀ Yorùbá ká gbòmìnira kán jáwọ́ nínú òṣèlú. Did you heard anything ìgbà tí Ọbásanjọ́ padà dé láti Benin Republic a wise think right please can you heard what Ọbásanjọ́ said? Ọbásanjọ́ ní òun ò tiẹ̀ gbọ́ sétí pé anybody fẹ́ ṣe Yorùbá nation or not. Did you forget? Think right, think well please. I know my people, you are all with your sense. You can think as I'm thinking, and it's not about even thinking. I heard some message from Benin Republic that I can use to confirm that it's Ọbásanjọ́ ló lọ́ọ̀kì Ọbásanjọ́ èmi Saheed sọ pé Ọbásanjọ́ ló lọ́ọ̀kì Sunday Igboho sí Benin Republic. Ọbásanjọ́ lo power yẹn ni. Now ẹ kí wá fún yín lẹ́sàmpù kan ṣé ẹ mọ̀ pé wọ́n ti fi style yẹ igi lẹ́sẹ̀ Tinubu lórí ọ̀rọ̀ presidential tí Tinubu náà bá na wise man òun rò pé òun máa fi ruggedity ṣe but tẹ bá notice ẹ rí pé Tinubu òun kan fún ara ẹ̀ ti dákẹ́sìn òun náà fẹ́ lo politics fine now ṣé ẹ rí pé Ọbásanjọ́ sì sọ̀rọ̀ kan lẹ́nu ọjọ́ mẹ́ta yìí o tẹ́ ẹ̀ bá gbàgbé o Ọbásanjọ́ mọ̀ọ́mọ̀ àtàkì Ọọ̀ni of Ifẹ̀ ni because Ọọ̀ni of Ifẹ̀ is a APC man Tinubu man Baba Ọbásanjọ́ is a PDP man and he still stand tomorrow for the APC working about 2023 election. Ọbásanjọ́ ẹ lọ tú Sunday Igboho sílẹ̀ ẹ̀yin lẹ wà ń di ọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ na selfishness man ayé àdá. Ọbásanjọ́ o Olúṣẹ́gun Ọbásanjọ́ ẹ lọ tú Sunday Igboho sílẹ̀ military man nìyí o ẹ dẹ̀ ló power military yẹn dẹ̀ ṣe ń lò dé ní. Tinubu is a civilian man. Tinubu ò lè dáràn federal government kó dúró tì í is a civilian. Ó lójú ibi tí Tinubu máa order power mọ́ lọ́dọ̀ àwọn military. No, mo mọ nǹkan tí mo ń sọ. Ẹ bá mi bi Ọbásanjọ́ léèrè. Ṣebí ìgbà tí àwọn last man rude tí Fáṣọlá tó rúdù sí army ẹyọ kan. If you remember the years, Ọbásanjọ́ order àwọn army come and gbé any fucking last man ní Lagos State any fucking thing. Kó tó fi padà apologize láyé Fáṣọlá tẹ́ bá gbàgbé. Now the same military and DSS came to Chief Sunday Igboho house and nothing anybody said about. And we have Yoruba standard commander in military. But wait to side the what else? This Àgbàyà people want God as in okay. Ṣé mọ̀ nǹkan tó wà ńbẹ̀? Mo wá pariwo Ọbásanjọ́ ni mo fẹ́ lu aago tẹ́lẹ̀. Tálẹ́ yìí ò ṣe normal program o. Ẹ lọ fi Sunday Igboho sílẹ̀ Ọbásanjọ́ ọwọ́ yín ló wà ńbẹ̀ o. Ọwọ́ Ọbásanjọ́ ló wà ńbẹ̀ o. Ọbásanjọ́ you are the one o. You are the only farmer tí Fúlàní ò kí ń jẹ oko ẹ o. We fight against Fulani in our land that the poverty, the wahala is too much. And you stand that you like. Ẹ wo, èmi náà ò dúró. Ṣebí mi ni mo wá tí mo sọ pé Ọbásanjọ́ ló wà lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Sunday Igboho bó ṣe detain ẹ̀ síbẹ̀. About tradition, about prayerful, we are still on the way. Ẹ ká máa wo nǹkan tó dùn yìí máa sọ àti next year. Mi ní rojọ́ jù. We are still on the way. The man has a power to control a little thing, but Obasanjo, you was not have a power to control Almighty God. You are not a Yoruba man. If you are a Yoruba man and you are not a bastard, can you use your right hand to describe your father's house in Sango-Ota? Can you use your right hand to point one of your road in Sango-Ota? Till today, since when you are in president, since when you are doing politics, because we came out now to shouting no going back Yoruba nation, you use your useless power that you cannot use on your road, you cannot use for your society, you cannot use the power in Yoruba land to benefit Yoruba land, but you can use it to detain Sunday Igboho in Benin Republic. I am Saidire and I stand on this. I know what I'm talking. If everybody can understand me, and if anybody can't understand me, it's true. You can understand me or you don't understand me. That's my home point that I pay Papa Obasanjo. You are the one that you detain Chief Sunday Igboho, confirm. I have a lot of people, they are working with Obasanjo. And I have a lot of people, they are working in Benin Republic. I have a lot of people tó yàtọ̀ sí gbogbo agigétọ̀ àwọn agigétọ̀ tá kàn ń pariwo yìí tá a bá gba information síbi tó yẹ ká gba sí àlè read the right way àkọ́ máa wá bí wọ́n máa rojọ́ ni èmi ò dẹ̀ sí nínú sẹtẹlẹ́jọ́ no, it's not Ọ̀ṣínbàjò, it's not Ọ̀ṣínbàjò. Ọ̀ṣínbàjò is in cage, can't talk anything. They are all useless man, useless Yoruba leader, we know. But I'm telling you now, the power that Obasanjo have, wọ́n bí Ọ̀ṣínbàjò rí. Ọ̀ṣínbàjò wà nínú ẹ̀wọ̀n ìjọba ni. You can't talk anything. Did you remember? If it is true Ọ̀ṣínbàjò have power, the time that this idiot dead body man Buhari that is travel, ṣe rántí pé ó gbé agbára ẹ̀ lọ sí London lọ tọ́jú ara ẹ̀ fún treatment ni. Did you not remember? Ọmọ Yorùbá, you have to think wise. Obasanjo know what he's doing. Olusegun Obasanjo, you know what you are doing and you keep silent. Buhari is a general and everybody know that Buhari is dead already. Buhari is not alive. Buhari is not alive. Ẹ gbàgbé gbogbo àhesọ, ẹ gbàgbé gbogbo eléyìí tó ń sọ pé ó ṣì wà, ó ṣì ṣe no. Buhari is not alive. Let's accept it or ignore it. Don't worry. But see, àwọn people yìí ti mọ̀ torí pé agenda tó ń lé ní fún 2023 láti corrupt Nigeria. Understand? Wọ́n fẹ́ finish some people, not everyone. Wọ́n fẹ́ finish some people so that you can reduce in population. When you reduce in population, they can it's possible. Kọ́ rewrite constitution. Kọ́ wá sọ pé àwọn fẹ́ ṣe restructuring. Àwọn kan máa wá padà béèrè fún restructuring nígbà yẹn. Ìjọba wọn máa calm wọn down. So wọ́n máa sọ fún yín pé don't worry. Fulani people, Hausa people, we are one. Then we help us. Ó possible kan fún wa ní restructuring. Tó bá yẹ pé àti wọ́n bá fi àtìkù láyè kó wọlé. You understand? Now, wọ́n á sọ pé we do this for Yoruba land. When Buhari is there since 8 years doing nothing, Yar'Adua make a good plan about inside Nigeria, then killed him. First thing Yar'Adua fẹ́ ṣe because I'm alive and I'm alive with my brain. Some people was alive without no sense. I don't know. But God bless my people, sha. You must understand what I'm talking. Now, the man of God that called Yar'Adua, the same Fulani man, want to reduce dollar first, to reduce our nonsense in this country, to reduce poverty in this country. Monday was say na sikla o, baba ti kú o, torí pé bó ṣe jẹ́ sikla yẹn. Now, if you think right now, you will know that wọ́n fẹ́ yọ Tinubu lẹ́sẹ̀. Wọ́n ti ń pè Tinubu ní sikla o, so that wọ́n máa wá gbẹ́ni tẹ́ ẹ̀ lè recognize wa tí ò ní any power lórí Nigeria. Ní lè focus on him because you know Atiku already that is a vice governor for Obasanjo. Now, please help me think right. What Obasanjo is doing since when they detained Sunday Igboho as a military commander. Kí ni Obasanjo lọ ṣe ní Benin Republic ní ìgbà tí wọ́n detain Chief Sunday? Ó wá parí iṣẹ́ ẹ̀ pé yes Ọlọ́run mú ẹ. Lẹ́yìn ìgbà tí wàláì Ọbásanjọ́, lẹ́yìn ìgbà tí bàbá tọwọ́ bọ̀wé tán, làwọn lọ́ọ̀yà díẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ sí ní wọ́n bẹ̀ sí scope àwọn lọ́ọ̀yà, wọ́n tẹ̀lé wọ́n scope àwọn lọ́ọ̀yà. Èmi náà ti rí pé ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn lọ́ọ̀yà kan sọ nǹkan tójú ẹ̀ rí ni, but wọ́n ń parọ́ fún lọ́ọ̀yà yẹn because wọ́n ti fi sí orí game. Because tẹ bá notice gan ẹ rí pé lọ́ọ̀yà yẹn bí ìgbà tó máa sọ pé ó ti sùn ni, he talk nothing again. I don't know what is going on in underground láàrin lọ́ọ̀yà àti Chief Sunday Igboho. Ó possible kan má jẹ́ káwọn èèyàn mọ̀ mọ́ torí pé wọ́n ti rí pé gbogbo àwọn ọ̀nà tó ń gbà làwọn ará bíbá yìí ń débẹ̀ ṣáájú wa because they has money and the money is the power. Ibi táwọn bá ti ń pariwo pé yé afẹ́ ṣe gbá afẹ́ ṣàwó, àwọn ti gbówó yẹn lẹ̀ cash bim because they have it. Wọ́n ti ṣe president ìràwá dẹ̀ ní àwọn ìwọ̀nba ilé ìtọ́lọ́run sọ pé ká rí làwa rí, Ọlọ́run ní tú gbogbo aláṣìírí. Ọbásanjọ́, Olúṣẹ́gun Ọbásanjọ́, the ex-former Nigeria president that you called yourself Yoruba man, go and release Sunday Igboho. You are the one that you detain him. You are the one, ọ̀gá. Tinubu la fojú sí tẹ́lẹ̀. Ó wá possible kó náà wà lára lórí burúkú ara wọn o. Because Tinubu ò fẹ́ kí wọ́n wá ṣe Lagos rally. Bàbá wèrè kí ló ti ń jẹ́ tó náà wà fáì, ritual man tó sọ pé wọ́n wà fáì, Arẹ́gbẹ́ṣọlá. Ó wà nínú àwọn tí ò fẹ́ kí Lagos rally torí nǹkan tó bá ti ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Lagos ó ti trend all over. They want him truth, they want to bribe him truth, but Chief Sunday Igboho refused to take bribe lórí wa pé àlàáfíà wa ló jẹ àwọn lógún. Ọbásanjọ́ o lọ fi Sunday Igboho sílẹ̀ wọ́n ló lọ́ọ̀kì ẹ̀, bàbá àgbàyà bàbá òṣì ẹ̀yin lẹ lọ́ọ̀kì ẹ̀, Ọbásanjọ́ ló lọ́ọ̀kì ẹ̀. Kó tó parí December yìí, Ọbásanjọ́ ibi tí gbogbo yín ò fọkàn sí òun ni mo ń sọ yìí. Me and one person talk about this. Mo farabalẹ̀ mo wò, mo make àwọn some calls. Mo ní this man ṣé ẹ mọ brain tí Ọbásanjọ́ lò nígbà tó fẹ́ lọ face àwọn Niger Delta tàbí nígbà kan gbà yẹn tó lọ bá wọn ṣe meeting tó bomb gbogbo wọn dànù. Ẹ mọ Ọbásanjọ́, is Obasanjo that detained Chief Sunday Igboho say. I'm still talking. Ẹ wo bí mo ṣe wà tí má ti kúrò ní program yìí lọ sùn o. Tó bá rò kó máa wá bá mi lé, ó tàn ra ẹ jẹ. Mo wà lé lóòótọ́ o, but mi lọ sùn, mi ṣe olórí burúkú. I'm not a deceiver. Because what is going on like this, ó kàn mí, ó kàn yín náà. Ọ̀run yabọ̀ ni, ṣé ti gbàgbé ni? Because you are outside country, did you know the plan they are made for you to rubbish your money, to rubbish your life in outside country? They are making the plan. You will never know nothing.
My people, now the video now on a new watch finish. So on a see what happen for inside the video. Alright, my people, I would like to end the video for you. Make gonna let me know what you wanna think for the comment section. And if you never subscribe, make gonna subscribe so that I not go miss any latest gist way I upload. And bye bye till I come on away next time. Bye guys, see you in my next video. Bye guys.